Kurinji Senior Secondary School, CBSE, Namakkal.
Successful result producing school in state every year.
Administered by the Board of Directors with over 35 years of experience in the teaching field.
Special attention on art, craft, music, dance, silambam, yoga, skating and karate.
Focus on Hindi Sabha and Spell Bee Olympiad exams.
Smart class for effective and innovative learning and well-furnished library.
Solitary importance on sports and games in state and national level.
WhatsApp facilities to know activities of students and school inside the campus.
NEET, JEE, IIT coaching experts from Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh along with our effective teachers.
Admission registration for classes LKG to +2.
Kurinji Educational Institution, Kavetipatti, Namakkal. Admission in progress. CBSE, KG to 12, contact 9025895176. Metric 6 to 12, contact 9344567484. For online admission, log on to www.kurinjischoolnkl.in.
In continuation last class, where we started a topic chapter applications of derivatives and we are discussing tangents and normals. Okay. Example 16. Find equation of lines having slope 2, so slope of the tangent given, slope 2, and being tangent to the curve y plus 2 upon x minus 3 is equal to 0. Find equation of all lines having slope 2, slope given, and being tangent to the curve y plus 2 upon x minus 3 equal to 0. Okay. Y plus 2 upon x minus 3 equal to 0. First of all, what curve it is? So this is nothing but y is equal to minus 2 upon x minus 3, nothing but y into x minus 3 is equal to minus 2. Okay, it is equation of hyperbola. It is equation of hyperbola. Xy is equal to c square, equation of rectangular hyperbola. Okay, anyhow, what we have to find here, equation of all lines having slope 2, okay, being tangent to the curve y plus 2 upon x minus 3 equal to 0. Okay. Now slope of the tangent is nothing but dy by dx. Slope of the tangent to the given curve at a point x comma y is dy by dx. So differentiate with respect to x here. So what we get, y derivative dy by dx plus 2 into 1 by x derivative minus 1 by x square, no? So my plus 2 into 1 by x derivative is minus 1 by x minus 3 whole square is equal to 0. dy by dx plus 2 into 1 by x derivative minus 1 by x square. So 1 by x minus 3 derivative minus 1 by x minus 3 whole square equal to 0. So dy by dx plus 2 into minus 1 by x minus 3 whole square is equal to 0. Okay. Now write this term this side. So dy by dx is equal to 2 by x minus 3 whole square. dy by dx equal to 2 by x minus 3 whole square. What is given? Given slope of the tangent is 2. But dy by dx equal to what? 2. As dy by dx is equal to 2, dy by dx how much we got? 2 upon x minus 3 whole square. So equating these two. So what we have? 2 upon x minus 3 whole square is equal to 2. 2 to cancel. So what we have? 1 upon x minus 3 whole square is equal to 1. Write this term this side. So what we have? X minus 3 whole square is equal to 1. Now x minus 3 whole square is equal to 1. Nothing but 1 square. Okay. So x square is equal to a square means x is equal to plus or minus a. So using that, so x minus 3 whole square is equal to 1 means x minus 3 is equal to what? Plus or minus 1. So x minus 3 is equal to plus 1 one case, x minus 3 is equal to minus 1 one case. Okay. Now when x minus 3 is equal to 1, x is equal to what? 4. When x minus 3 is equal to minus 1, x is equal to what? 2. Okay. So x is equal to 2 and 4. X is equal to 2 and 4. Okay. Now by substituting x value 2 and x value 4 in the given curve, we will get y ordinate. Okay. Now substituting x is equal to 2 in the given curve, x is equal to 2, we substitute here y plus 2 upon 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. So 2 by minus 1 is minus 2. So y minus 2 equal to 0. So y is equal to what? 2. Y is equal to 2. So when x is equal to 2, y is equal to 2. So point on the curve is 2 comma 2. This is one point. Okay. When x is equal to 4, when x is equal to 4, y plus 2 by 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. Okay. So 2 by 1 is 2. So y plus 2 is equal to 0. Y plus 2 is equal to 0 means y is equal to minus 2. So when x is equal to 4, y value is minus 2. When x is equal to 4, y value is minus 2. So when x is equal to 2, y value 2. When x is equal to 4, y value minus 2. So what are the points we got? That 2 comma 2 and 4 comma minus 2. Okay. There are two tangents to the given curve with slope 2 and passing through the points 2 comma 2 and 4 comma minus 2. Okay. There are two tangents having slope 2 with the given curve and passing through the points 2 comma 2 and 4 comma minus 2. 2 comma 2 and 4 comma minus 2. Okay. Now, so equation of tangent passing through the point 2 comma 2 and having slope 2 is given by, okay, y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So y minus x1 y1 is what? 2 comma 2, m is what? 2. So y minus 2 is equal to 2 into x minus 2. So y minus 2 is equal to, multiply 2 inside here, 2x minus 4. So y minus 2 is equal to 2x minus 4. Write these two terms this side. So y, 2x comes to this side, minus 2x, minus 2, this minus 4 comes to this side, plus 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. So y minus 2x plus 2 is equal to 0. This is one tangent having slope 2 and passing through the point 2 comma 2. Okay. And equation of tangent, another equation of tangent passing through the point 4 comma minus 2 and having slope 2. Again what formula? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So m is again slope is 2 and x1 y1 is what in this case? 4 comma minus 2. So y minus minus 2, y minus of minus 2 plus 2, no? So y plus 2 is equal to 2 into x minus x1, x minus 4. Okay. So y plus 2 is equal to 2 into x minus 4. So y plus 2 is equal to, multiply 2 inside, no? 2x minus 8. Okay, right? 2x minus 8 this side. So what we get? Minus 2x, minus 8 comes to this side, plus 8. 8 plus 2, 10. So y minus 2x plus 10 is equal to 0. Okay. So equation of tangents are what? Y minus 2x plus 2 equal to 0, y minus 2x plus 10 equal to 0. Okay. These two are parallel tangents. These two are parallel tangents. Okay. So what is given here is, find the equation of all lines having slope 2. Okay. Slope of the lines is 2 being tangent to the curve. Okay, means two tangents, okay, having tangents with slope 2, okay, to the curve y plus 2 upon x minus 3. Slope of the tangent is dy by dx. Now finding dy by dx, what we got? Dy by dx equal to 2 upon x minus 3 whole square. But what is given? Slope of the tangents is 2. Okay, so dy by dx equal to 2. So equating these two, so what we got? X is equal to 4 and 2. Okay, by substituting x is equal to 2 in the given curve, we got y value 2. So 2 comma 2 is one point. By substituting x is equal to 4, y ordinate is minus 2. So 4 comma minus 2 is another point. So 2 comma 2, 4 comma minus 2. Okay, these are the 2 points. Okay, there are two tangents to the given curve with slope 2 and passing through the points 2 comma 2 and 4 comma minus 2. Okay, now one equation of tangent passing through the point 2 comma 2 and slope 2 is y minus 2 is equal to 2 into x minus 2, nothing but y minus 2x plus 2 equal to 0. Okay, equation of tangent passing through the point 4 comma minus 2 and having slope 2 is y minus 2x plus 10 is equal to 0. So equation of tangents are y minus 2x plus 2 equal to 0, y minus 2x plus 10 equal to 0. Okay. And next question, example 18. Find the equation of tangent to the curve y is equal to x minus 7 upon x minus 2 into x minus 3 at the point where it crosses the x-axis, where it cuts the x-axis. What is the question? Find equation of tangent to the curve y is equal to x minus 7 upon x minus 2 into x minus 3 at the point where it cuts x-axis. Where it cuts the x-axis. When curve cuts x-axis, at that point on x-axis y ordinate is 0. On x-axis, y ordinate is 0. So when y0, if you substitute y0 here, so what we get, x minus 7 by x minus 2 into x minus 3 equal to 0. So nothing but x minus 7 equal to 0, nothing but x is equal to 7. So this curve cuts x-axis at the point 7 comma 0. First of all, this curve cuts x-axis at 7 comma 0. So we have to find equation of tangent at the point 7 comma 0. Okay, point we have. Now what else we required? To find out equation of tangent, we need point and slope. Okay, slope is nothing but dy by dx at 7 comma 0. Slope is nothing but dy by dx at 7 comma 0. Okay, now what is the curve? Y is equal to x minus 7 by x minus 2 into x minus 3. If you write directly dy by dx, what will happen? This side dy by dx, this side u by v we have to apply, and little bit complicated one. So instead of this, I will cross multiply this and apply dy by dx, or else differentiate on both sides. So if you write this term this side, so what we have, x minus 2 into x minus 3 into y is equal to x minus 7. Okay, now differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x, what we get? Okay, product rule no? Here x minus 2, x minus 3, y, 3 terms, okay, is equal to x minus 7, or else I will consider these two as a single term, this as another term. Okay, so product rule is first term into derivative of second term. Okay, so x minus 2 into x minus 3 into y derivative is what? Dy by dx plus y into derivative of this term, y into derivative of x minus 2 into x minus 3. Again here we have product of two functions. Product of two functions, one function into derivative of second function plus second function into derivative of another function. Okay, so x minus 2 into x minus 3 into y derivative dy by dx plus y into x minus 2 into x minus 3 derivative. Okay, x minus 3 as it is, x minus 2 derivative is 1 plus x minus 2 as it is, x minus 3 derivative is 1 is equal to right hand side x minus 7 derivative with respect to x is 1. Okay, so what we have, x minus 2 into x minus 3 into dy by dx is equal to write this term this side. So y into, if you simplify here, x plus x, 2x minus 3 minus 2 minus 5, so y into 2x minus 5. Okay, so x minus 2 into x minus 3 into dy by dx is equal to 1 minus y into 2x minus 5. Now write this term this side, so what we get, dy by dx is equal to 1 minus y into 2x minus 5 upon x minus 2 into x minus 3. Okay, this is dy by dx. Now slope of the tangent is dy by dx at 7 comma 0. Okay, dy by dx at 7 comma 0. So dy by dx at 7 comma 0 means in place of x write 7, in place of y write 0. So what we get, 1 minus 0 into something is 0, no? So 1 minus 0 upon 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2 is 5, 7 minus 3 is 4. So 1 minus 0, 1 by 5 into 4, 20. So 1 by 20. So dy by dx is equal to how much? 1 upon 20. So slope of the tangent is 1 upon 20. So slope we have and point we have. What is the point? X comma 0. Okay, so slope of the tangent at 7 comma 0 is 1 by 20. So equation of tangent at 7 comma 0 is y minus y1. Y minus 0 is equal to slope m, that is 1 by 20 into x minus x1, x minus 7. Okay, cross multiply 20 this side. So what we have, 20y is equal to x minus 7. If you write x minus 7 this side, we get 20y minus x plus 7 is equal to 0. Okay, that is the equation of tangent. Now here question is, find the equation of tangent to the curve y is equal to x minus 7 upon x minus 2 into x minus 3 at the point where it cuts x-axis. Point on x-axis. Okay, note that curve cutting x-axis. On x-axis y ordinate is 0. So y0, if you write y0, x minus 7 by x minus 2 into x minus 3 equal to 0 means x minus 7 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 7. So the curve cuts x-axis at 7 comma 0. Okay, next what else we need? We need slope of the tangent. Slope is nothing but dy by dx, no? dy by dx at 7 comma 0. Okay, for this is the given curve, cross multiply this side and differentiate with respect to x. So what we get, this term into y derivative dy by dx plus y into this term derivative is 2x minus 5 is equal to right hand side is 1. So what we get, x minus 2 into x minus 3 into dy by dx is equal to 1 minus y into 2x minus 5. Okay, write this term this side. So dy by dx is equal to 1 minus y into 2x minus 5 upon x minus 2 into x minus 3. Okay, so at what point we are finding dy by dx? Slope at 7 comma 0. So substitute in place of y 0, in place of x 7. So 1 minus 0 upon 7 minus 2, 5 into 7 minus 3, 4. Okay, 1 minus 0, 1 upon 5 into 4, 20. 1 upon 20. Slope of the tangent at 7 comma 0 is 1 upon 20. So equation of tangent at the point 7 comma 0 whose slope is 1 upon 20 is 20 minus 20y minus x plus 7 is equal to 0. Okay, next question. Example 19. Find the equations of tangent and normal to the curve x power 2 by 3 plus y power 2 by 3 is equal to 2 at the point 1 comma 1. Find the equation of tangent and normal to the curve x power 2 by 3 plus y power 2 by 3 is equal to 2 at 1 comma 1. Okay, point given. So slope of the tangent, if you find, slope of the normal is minus 1 by slope of the tangent. Okay, so what we have to find? Slope of the tangent to the curve at 1 comma 1. So slope of the tangent to the curve is dy by dx at here point is 1 comma 1. So dy by dx at 1 comma 1 we have to find. Okay, so x power 2 by 3 plus y power 2 by 3 is equal to 2. This is the given curve. Now differentiate with respect to x. Okay, x power n derivative is n into x power n minus 1. So x power 2 by 3 derivative 2 by 3 into x power 2 by 3 minus 1. 2 by 3 minus 1 is minus 1 by 3. So 2 by 3 into x power minus 1 by 3 plus y power 2 by 3 derivative, y power 2 by 3 derivative is 2 by 3 into y power minus 1 by 3 into dy by dx is equal to 2 derivative, constant derivative 0. Okay, here 2 by 3 common. So 2 by 3 into x power minus 1 by 3 plus y power minus 1 by 3 into dy by dx is equal to 0. 2 by 3 cross multiply this side. So what we get, x power minus 1 by 3 plus y power minus 1 by 3 into dy by dx is equal to 0. Okay, now from here write this term this side. So what we get, y power minus 1 by 3 into dy by dx is equal to minus x power minus 1 by 3. Okay, now if we cross multiply y power minus 1 by 3 this side, we get dy by dx is equal to minus x power minus 1 by 3 upon y power minus 1 by 3. Okay, now here what we can write, minus x by y whole power minus 1 by 3. No, further what we can write, minus y by x whole power 1 by 3. What we did here, minus x power minus 1 by 3 upon y power minus 1 by 3, we can write it as x by y whole power minus 1 by 3. Okay, x by y whole power minus 1 by 3. Further what we can write, x by y whole power minus 1 whole power 1 by 3. Okay, x by y whole power minus 1 is y by x. So what we can write, dy by dx is equal to minus of y by x power 1 by 3. This is dy by dx. Dy by dx is equal to minus y by x power 1 by 3. At what point we are finding? At x 1 comma 1. No? So x value 1 and y value 1 substitute in dy by dx. So what we get, slope of the tangent at 1 comma 1 is dy by dx at 1 comma 1. So minus of 1 by 1, 1 minus 1 minus 1 power 1 by 3. 1 power 1 by 3 is 1 only. No? So minus 1. So slope of the tangent is what? Minus 1. Okay, so equation of tangent at 1 comma 1 whose slope is minus 1 is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. No? So y minus y1 1 equal to m value, slope of the tangent is minus 1. So minus 1 into x minus x1. So y minus 1 is equal to minus x plus 1. Okay, minus x plus 1 if you write this side. So what we get, minus x comes to this side plus x. Okay, plus 1 comes to this side minus 1. Already minus 1 is there. So what we get, x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. X plus y minus 2 equal to 0. That is equation of tangent. Next, equation of normal. To find out equation of normal, point is given. What else we need? We need slope of the normal. Slope of the normal is minus 1 by slope of the tangent. Okay, so slope of the normal at 1 comma 1 is given by minus 1 by slope of the tangent at 1 comma 1. So minus 1 by slope of the tangent at 1 comma 1 is what? Minus 1. So minus 1 upon minus 1 is 1. So slope of the normal at 1 comma 1 is what? 1. Slope of the normal at 1 comma 1 is 1. So equation of normal is what? Equation of normal is y minus y1 is equal to slope of the normal into x minus x1. So y minus x1 y1 is 1 comma 1. So y minus y1 is equal to slope of the normal is 1 into x minus x1. So y minus 1 is equal to x minus 1. Both sides minus 1 cancel. So y is equal to x, nothing but y minus x is equal to 0. Y minus x is equal to 0. That is equation of normal. That is equation of normal. Okay. Next question. Example 20. Find equation of tangent to the curve given by x is equal to a sin cube t, y is equal to b cos cube t at a point where t is equal to pi by 2. Where t is equal to pi by 2. Now here parametric form given. X is a sin cube t, y is b cos cube t. Okay, at what point t is equal to pi by 2. So first of all I will find the point when t is equal to pi by 2, t is equal to pi by 2, x is equal to a sin cube pi by 2, sin pi by 2 is 1 no. So x is equal to a into 1 nothing but a, and y at t equal to pi by 2, cos pi by 2 is 0. So y is equal to 0. So at what point we are finding equation of tangent? At a comma 0. At a comma 0 we are finding. Okay, a comma 0. What else we need? We need slope of the tangent. Slope of the tangent means dy by dx at t is equal to pi by 2. First find dy by dx. To find out dy by dx, here parametric form given. What we will do, we will find dx by dt, dy by dt. Dy by dx is nothing but dy by dt upon dx by dt. Okay. Now x is equal to a sin cube t. Now differentiate with respect to t on both sides. Dx by dt is equal to a constant, sin cube derivative 3 sin square, sin derivative cos. So a into 3 sin square t into cos t, nothing but 3a sin square t cos t. Okay. Y, what is y? b cos cube t. Now dy by dt, differentiating with respect to t, dy by dt is equal to b into cos cube derivative 3 cos square, cos derivative minus sin. So what we get? Dy by dt is equal to minus 3b cos square t into sin t. Okay, dx by dt completed, dy by dt completed. After that dy by dx, dy by dx is ratio of dy by dt upon dx upon dt. Okay, dy by dt is what? Minus 3b cos square t into sin t upon dx by dt is 3a sin square t cos t. Okay, 3 cancel. Okay, 1 cos in numerator, 1 cos in denominator cancel. 1 sin in numerator, 1 sin in denominator cancel. So further what we have? Minus b by a constant, numerator 1 cos, denominator 1 sin. Okay, so minus b by a into cos t upon sin t. Where we have to find slope of the tangent? How to find slope of the tangent at t equal to pi by 2. So slope of the tangent at t equal to pi by 2 is in place of t substitute pi by 2, minus b by a into cos pi by 2 0 upon sin pi by 2 is 1. 0 by 1 is 0. So dy by dx is equal to what? Dy by dx at t equal to pi by 2 is 0. Okay, so slope of the tangent is what? 0. Okay, already we found no point. What is point? A comma 0. Okay, so when t equal to pi by 2, when t equal to pi by 2, x is equal to a, y is equal to 0. When t equal to pi by 2, in place of t if you write pi by 2 here, sin pi by 2 is 1, 1 cube is also 1 only, so a into 1 is a. So x is equal to a, y is equal to b into cos pi by 2 0, so y value is 0. So at what point? A comma 0. So equation of tangent to the given curve at t equal to pi by 2 is, what is the slope? Slope is 0. Slope is 0 and point is a comma 0. So y minus y1, y minus 0 is equal to, slope is what? 0 into x minus x1, x minus a. So y is equal to 0. So y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0 is nothing but x axis. Okay, that is equation of tangent. Okay, now here you have to find equation of tangent to the curve x is equal to a sin cube t, y is equal to b cos cube t at the point where t is equal to pi by 2. Okay, parametric form given. So find dx by dt, find dy by dt. dy by dx is ratio of dy by dt upon dx by dt. Okay, dx by dt is 3a sin square t cos t, dy by dt is minus 3b cos square t sin t. Okay, so dy by dx is ratio of these two. So what? Minus b by a cos t upon sin t. Okay, at t equal to pi by 2, at t equal to pi by 2 this term is 0, so dy by dx is 0. So slope of the tangent at t equal to pi by 2 is 0. And point, we need slope and point, no? Point and slope. Slope we have. What about point? Point means when t equal to pi by 2, x is equal to what? A. When t equal to pi by 2, y is equal to 0. So at point a comma 0 we have to find. Okay, so equation of tangent to the curve at t equal to pi by 2 at a comma 0 is y minus y1, y minus 0 is equal to m, slope is 0 into x minus x1, x minus a. So y is equal to 0, y equal to 0 is the required equation of tangent. Okay, now we will continue remaining problems in next class. Thank you.